Hey crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I'm going to do some simple die cutting and stenciling and batch some Christmas cards. So I have this Merry and Bright die cut from Lawn Fawn. You can see here I cut out multiple panels of this. I also have the Perfect Little Trees stencil from A Colorful Life Designs, and I have some card bases ready to go. So I'm going to show you how I pull together this easy design for some Christmas cards. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but do stick around to the end because I have some bonus card designs as well. So here you're going to see me fumble a little bit. I kept everything together. I intended on ink blending this way. However, as you saw, it's kind of a mess. I'm still trying here, seeing if I can make it work, and then quickly abandon this idea. So we'll move on to another plan here. I have my pokey tool here that my friend Judy made me, the special Christmas edition. So I'm just going to pop out these little elements, and then I'm going to show you how I remedy this situation to lay down some color on this outline die cut so I can use it to finish my card. So after I'm done poking all this out, I'm going to show you my master plan here. Just poking out the little innards of the little star features, but I am going to keep some of these components off to the side just in case I want to use them. Now here's my solution. I have this gel press. It's an 8x10 gel press. I'm just going to slap it right down on my glass mat here, and then I'm going to push down this die cut on it so that I can ink blend without it getting crumpled up or wrinkled. So you can see here I'm just using some residual ink. It might be hard to see on the screen, but I do bring in this ink pad just to lay down kind of more splotches of color all throughout. I'm okay with it looking mottled. It kind of goes with the theme that I'm going here. So I'm heavier handed in spots, lighter handed in others, and I'm just going to lay down this color so that it will pop off the background once I do apply it to the card. So this is a nice way to kind of hold down everything. I don't have one of the sticky mats yet, but I did determine that my gel press can work double duty and kind of hold everything down in place for me, so I don't kind of bend up the little die cut bits. Here you can see I'm just saving the little innards in this little tray for future usage if I need it, and I'm just going to wipe off my gel press with my stamp chamois here. So this is my solution for the ink blending. Now I'm going to, since I already have it out, I figure I might as well use it for my stenciling as well because it will kind of hang on to the overhanging part of the stencil. And I'm using this Perfect Little Trees. If you do shop at Colorful Life Designs, be sure to use my coupon AMYFAN10 at checkout. You'll save 10% on your complete order. And this gave just a little bit of visual interest around the card just to add to it a little bit. Now I do decide to put some of this on the inside of the card as well, just to continue the design, using residual ink on the blending brush. And now I just need to attach this onto the front of the card base. I do have some micro dots here. This was my method of adhesion here, so I just put that down, micro dots all over the back of it, and now I just need to put these little inner bits in. I'll do the same thing here with the micro dots just to apply these little inner portions of the R's, the B, just to finish the design. But you can absolutely use liquid glue. I tend to get frustrated with the oozage, especially when it's a little bit thin lines like you'll see here, but you can use whatever sort of adhesive you want for this design. Just plopping in the little innards of the R and then the B, and then that will finish this part of the design portion here. It's a little bit fiddly, but not too bad, because the Merry and Bright is all one continuous piece. It makes it not too bad. Now here I have some little gold, they're like flat back, kind of pearly gold embellishments here, and I thought they looked really cute inside the stars and just kind of a little smattering around the composition, so it gave it some interest and some dimension. Otherwise it's pretty flat and should be easy to ship. So here's this design finish. You can see again I have the stenciling on the inside of the card, but stick around here a moment. I'll show you some other options here. I have multiple of these that I made real quick just to add to my Christmas card stash. Just a moment here, I'll show you. Here is another variation that I made. I used some pattern paper, which is cool, and some gold metallic cardstock, and then I used the innards of the Merry and Bright. This one was just stamped on some colored cardstock. So yeah, here's these other finished cards. I didn't show you the stamped plaid one for some reason. I think I just kind of did that for fun and forgot to show you in the video. But this, you can see I put the gold metallic on the inside of that one and then on the outside of this one. So you can use all the different pieces, parts, and get different variations of your cards with this one awesome die cut. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up. I will link everything below. And thanks for spending time with me today. Catch you next time. Bye.